Hello viewers, thank you for joining. Today I just want you to know what indexes is, and we will create a new index and you will see how we can decrease query latency time. Okay, let's get started. The first thing what we need to understand what is indexes. Indexes used to find rows with specific column values quickly. Without an index, Mysql will go through the table and through all row inside table from the first one to the latest one. If we had a huge table or a long query, it will takes time on execution and it will increase our CPU and memory resources allocation. So if you deal with Mysql in daily basic, you really need to understand how we can reduce Mysql queries. And let's get started. I already upload employees in my MySQL database. For this demo, let's open this database. We can find our tables. Let's select 1000 rows from this table, and you can see we have employee number, title, from date, and to date. You can see titles like senior engineer, staff, senior staff. That's really trivial company titles name. And let's execute our specific queries. So this is not this one. Let's copy my queries, what I want to execute. Yes, here we go. And this is our example queries. What is happens here? We select all rows from titles database, from titles table, where title column equals assistant engineer, and date we have 18 the February 1990. Let's execute it to see execution time. So let's execute it. We can see in our execution outputs duration. We have duration 0.31321. Let's execute it one more time. You can see it was a little bit faster. Now we have 0.312. Let's execute it one more again, and we have another values. We have 0.397. Okay, you can see our time, execution time has average value is 1.3 point, I think 5. And what we can do with this, we can just create an index. Let's do it. I just copy my command and insert it. So you can see we have queries alter table, which is a drastic change, and I ask you don't do it on production environment without knowledge what you are doing, because alter tables takes time on execution, and when it executed, your table will be locked. You should be aware of this before execute any alter table commands. So in this command we will create index with name edx title from title column to date column. Why we have this syntax? Because this is de facto standard how indexes should be named. The good approach to name is edx first as a label and then a table name or meaning code or index meaning. Let's execute it. That's still executed. You see, yeah, that's executed. We have 4 seconds on execution, and now we can go back to our previous command and execute our queries one more time to see our result. Let's execute it. As you can see, it was really faster. Now we have value 0.0452. Let's execute it one more time. Now we have even less value, execution value, which is 0.046. As you can see, our queries work much more faster, and we implement some we has been implemented latency in our database queries. Okay, let's check our indexes to see indexes from our list. This is our command. You can see we have idx title, one index for title, the next one for to date column, and let's drop it. Yes, it's the indexes has been dropped. Let's check it. You can see, and let's go back to previous command, and as you can see now, without indexes, with our index, this query works with some latency, but now we understand how we can we can increase our latency. Okay, thank you for joining. Bye.